look, I'm here in New Hampshire to talk about the budget I released today that would, what I think, help in a big way. I want to cap the cost of insulin at $35 for every American. Every American. When I first got it passed, it included all Americans. When we got it reauthorized, the other team wouldn't do it, so only for seniors. Look, for years people talked about this, but we finally got it done and gave Medicare the power to negotiate lower drug prescription costs, just like the VA's been able to do for veterans for a long, long time. It's not just saving seniors money, it's saving every taxpayer money. It's cutting the federal deficit, just what we've just done so far. Cut the federal deficit over time by $160 billion. Folks, we have two ways to go at Social Security and Medicare. Republicans will cut Social Security and Medicare to give us more tax cuts for the wealthy. Even this morning, Donald Trump said cuts to Social Security and Medicare are on the table again. When asked if he changed his position, he said, quote, "There's a lot you can do in terms of cutting. Tremendous amount of things you can cut." Let me be precise. Tremendous amount of things you can do, not cut. He said, but the bottom line is, he's still at it. I'm never going to allow that to happen. I won't cut Social Security. I won't cut Medicare. Instead of cutting Medicare and give tax breaks to the wealthy, I will protect and strengthen Social Security and Medicare and make the wealthy begin to pay their fair share. The last administration enacted a $2 trillion tax cut. $2 trillion tax cut that benefits the very wealthy in the top 1%, the biggest corporations, and exploded the federal deficit. Last administration added more to the national debt than any presidential term in American history. Debt. Not, you turn on TV and you think he's telling the truth. Debt. Does anybody here think the tax code is fair? Raise your hand. Well, I don't think so either. I think if I don't want to get in trouble with the press, but I bet they wouldn't even raise their hands. Do you really think the wealthy and big corporations need another $2 trillion tax breaks? Because that's what he wants to do. His tax cut's about to expire, and he wants to add another $2 trillion tax cut.